Hey, how's it going? We're going to go ahead and draw Roger from American Dad. He is an alien, so I think it kind of applies that we would put him on this page. But anywho, we're going to go through it step by step and completely for beginners, by the way. So if you're a total beginner, you're going to absolutely be able to do this. So let's get started. I'm going to go here from the top of his head, and I'm going to pull up. And he's got, like, honestly, I think of this as almost like a balloon. It kind of leans backward a little bit, right? To the right. I mean, obviously he's a takeoff on E.T., which I drew here earlier. Go check that video out. For whatever reason, that video got a lot of views, which is amazing because E.T. doesn't really... I don't know. E.T. hasn't been popular in a while, so I'm surprised. Curve over here. It feels good, though. Curve over here for his eye. It's kind of the outer eye. And the inner eye there. To me, he reminds me of like a squid. I mean, that's personally what I think of. And then his other eye is going to angle out as well, like an egg. I don't know, a lot of these markers die out. Don't forget to hit up my Gumroad. I have a lot of free resources there for artists. I have like a head drawing template there, which is really cool. If you ever had issues like drawing a head before, I have a head drawing template right there. Easy. Easy. It's literally like a worksheet, you know. So go. It's 100% free, by the way. Go check that out in the link in the description. Go over here, left, curve over here, so the outside of the other eye, and I'm gonna connect these two lines here on this side. Over here, down. Over here in the back, down. Let's draw his mouth over here. So it's going to go out a little bit. Pull back. And then curve out again. There's his mouth. And I'm going to do that line. Excuse me. A line here for the back side of his mouth. And fill in. Curve underneath. Down. Down over here. Line, dot, over here at the top, curve for, he has these like, I don't know, they're like bumps. I used to think they're like gills. I think they're just literally just bumps on his temple. Go over here down to the shoulders. It's going to be a vignette. So we're kind of just going to draw his upper half. Out over here, down. Excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. Line here for the chest area. Pull down. Curve over here for his other chest, his pectoralis. And I'm going to pull a line down there. We're almost done. What I want to do with him now is I want to make a thicker line around the border here, around the outside. Not that much thicker, though, just a little bit. Curve over here, line over here, down, curve over here, and curve over here. And that's pretty much it. That is Roger. Really fun character, by the way. And actually, that show's really good. I haven't seen the new ones, though. I heard it kind of got not as good, but really cool character. If you enjoy this, hit the like button. Basically, the channel lives on likes, so absolutely hit the like button. And go check out that Gumroad. Like I said, free art resources over there. Go check that out. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very, very soon. If you do want to... If you want to converse with me, absolutely post in the comments. If you have any like drawing questions or questions in general, maybe about horror or stuff like that, or what I like to do in my free time, any of that stuff, let me know. By free time, I mean, you know, the drawings I do off of the channel, because I have a lot of drawings I just do for myself that I don't really post. But yeah, thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I'll see you very soon. Hit me up, and I love hearing your stories. Okay, guys? Everybody's so amazingly... I don't know, like inspiring. I just find people really awesome on the channel. Thanks so much. Talk to you later. I'll see you soon. All right. See ya.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both. But like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up. And you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent. And you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.